Another day, another story. Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tracking expenses and creating a budget. If you want to take control of your finances and make every dollar count, this video is for you. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Step 1. Understand the importance of tracking expenses. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, let's understand why tracking expenses is essential. It allows you to see exactly where your money is going, identify spending patterns, and make informed decisions about your finances. Plus, it's the foundation for creating a realistic budget that works for you. Example 1. Imagine you're constantly wondering where all your money goes each month, and you're struggling to save or reach your financial goals. By tracking your expenses, you can uncover hidden spending habits, like those daily coffee runs or impulse purchases, that add up over time. It's like shining a light on your financial blind spots. Step 2. Choose your tracking method. There are several methods you can use to track your expenses. Find the one that suits your style and makes it easy for you to record and analyze your spending habits. Pen and paper, simply carry a notebook and jot down every expense manually. Spreadsheet, use software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to create a dedicated expense tracking sheet. Mobile apps, explore popular expense tracking apps like Mint, Pocket Guard, or You Need a Budget, YNAB, for convenient tracking on the go. Example 2, let's say you're a tech-savvy person who loves using your smartphone. A mobile app like Mint might be the perfect fit for you. It syncs with your bank accounts, categorizes your expenses automatically, and provides you with insightful spending reports. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Step 3, categorize your expenses. Now that you've chosen your tracking method, it's time to categorize your expenses. This helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. Example 3, let's take a look at some common expense categories. Housing, rent/mortgage, utilities, maintenance. Transportation, car payments, fuel, insurance, maintenance. Food, groceries, dining out, coffee. Debt payments, credit cards, loans. Entertainment, movies, concerts, subscriptions. Savings, emergency fund, retirement savings. Miscellaneous, personal care, gifts, hobbies. Step 4, analyze your spending patterns. Once you have a few months' worth of tracked expenses, it's time to analyze your spending patterns. This is where you'll uncover insights about your financial habits and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Example 4, look closely at your expense categories and ask yourself questions like, am I spending too much on dining out? Can I reduce my entertainment expenses? Are there any subscription services I no longer use? By answering these questions, you'll find opportunities to reallocate funds and prioritize your financial goals. Step 5, create your budget. Now that you have a clear understanding of your expenses, it's time to create your budget. A budget is a plan that outlines how you will allocate your income across various expense categories and savings goals. Example 5, let's say your monthly income is $3,000. Start by allocating fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and debt payments. Then, assign funds to essential categories like groceries and transportation. Finally, set aside a portion for savings and discretionary spending. Adjust your budget as needed to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've learned the step-by-step process of tracking expenses and creating a budget. Remember, tracking your expenses gives you control over your finances, and creating a budget helps you achieve your financial goals. So, start tracking today, analyze your spending patterns, and create a budget that empowers you to take charge of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.